Today I'm cooking stingray curry. It is slightly spicy, creamy, and delicious with rice. This recipe is for 8 to 10 servings. The ingredients needed are 1.4 kilograms of stingray, washed and cleaned and cut into pieces. 200 ml of concentrated coconut milk, 240 grams of tomatoes, cut half into wedges and dice the rest. 350 grams of yellow and red onions, peel, 70 grams of garlic, peel, 90 grams of ginger, peel and chop, 280 grams of okras, 2 green chillies, cut to pieces, 500 grams of purple eggplants, 30 grams of cilantro leaves, 1.2 liters of water, 7 stems of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, 10 tablespoons of fish curry powder. Here's what it looks like. Half tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 star anise, 6 cardamom pods, 120 ml of concentrated tamarind water, and I will be using 25 ml of cooking oil. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Let's marinate the fish. Sprinkle 1/8 tablespoon of salt over the stingray pieces. Rubbing to evenly spread it. Flip the pieces and repeat with another 1/8 tablespoon of salt. Set it aside. Blend the ingredients to paste. Add the ginger and blend until it becomes a smooth paste with a hand blender. It takes around 20 seconds. If using a normal blender, add in 25 ml of water to help with the blending. Remove from the blender and set aside. Do the same for the garlic, blending it until become a fine paste. Set it aside. Repeat for the yellow onions. Set the yellow onion paste aside. Lastly, blend the red onions until smooth and fine. Set it aside. Let's cook the curry in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour 25 ml of cooking oil and wait for the oil to heat up. This will take about 1 minute. My 32 cm pan is too small for this portion of the curry, so I recommend adjusting it with a bigger pan or halving the portion. Once the oil is hot, wash and add a non-powdered spices, cinnamon stick, clove, star anise, and cardamom pods. Strip the curry leaves from 4 stems and add them to the hot oil. Stir fry the spices to cook them for about 15 seconds. We want to release their essence to the oil. After 15 seconds, when the fragrance is released, add the ginger paste and garlic paste. Stir to mix the paste for 20 seconds. The paste and oil will be very fragrant and well combined. Next, add in the red onion paste and yellow onion paste. Stir for another 20 seconds or until pastes are well mixed and incorporated. There should be a lovely fragrance now. Add the curry powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, and diced tomato. Stir fry continuously with a spatula until well incorporated. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2.5 minutes, the curry paste is now dry and very thick and super fragrant. Pour in 1.2 liters of water. Gently stirring to dissolve the paste into a thick gravy. Continuously stir until all the lumpy paste has dissolved. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 8 minutes. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. Now let's prepare the vegetable. Remove the stem from the eggplant and cut it into thick wedges. Submerge the cut eggplant into the basin filled with room temperature water to slow down the oxidation rate. This results in beautiful white eggplants in our curry later. Make sure to trim the black part and discard them. Alright, the eggplants are done. Let's cook them. After 8 minutes, open the lid. The curry has come to a rolling boil. Give it a gentle stir Discard the water from the eggplants and add them to the curry, distributing them around the pan to cook them evenly. Cover the lid and let the eggplants to cook for 5 minutes. Stir and rotate the eggplant occasionally for even cooking. Now let's prepare the okra. Give them a wash. Then, with a clean knife, remove the stem. Once done, set them aside. After 5 minutes, check on the eggplant. They should be 70% cooked by now. Add the rest of the salt, which is about half tablespoon, sugar, and tamarind juice. Stir to incorporate them into the curry. Then, raise the heat to medium-high to ensure the curry is vigorously boiling. Carefully drop in the stingray one by one, arranging them all around the pan. Ensure that they are fully submerged in their place. Once the stingray are added, avoid stirring the curry until they are all well cooked. This is to prevent the fishy smell from leaking into the curry. Top the curry with okras, cut green chillies, and tomato wedges. Cover the pot and let it cook for 8 minutes on medium-high heat. After 8 minutes, open the lid. Smells so good. The fish and vegetables should be fully cooked now. Gently stir to rotate the vegetables. Let's give it a taste. Very delicious. More seasoning can be added as preferred. For this, it's perfect. Add in 200 ml of coconut milk around the pan. If your pan is as full as mine, gently stir the curry to incorporate the coconut milk. Continue to cook for 1 more minute to ensure the coconut is cooked and is well combined with the curry. Switch off the heat. Sprinkle chopped cilantro and the rest of the curry leaves over the curry. Gently submerge them with a spatula. And our stingray curry is ready to be dished out. Garnish the curry with chopped cilantro leaves and serve. Let's eat! Delicious! It's so fragrant, creamy and mildly spicy. The fish is tasty and fresh, tender and full of flavor from the spice and paste. This will be perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!